she is now on the cover of Vogue with her baby Alexis, who's a few months old now, and she opens up about her childbearing struggles, about her problems in the delivery room, her post-delivery experience, how she had to have an emergency C-section even because her blood, her heart rate, went skyrocketing,
Wow.
went way up. And she says that this is common for a lot of women, especially black women, that they have even more trouble in the delivery room than white women do. So she was opening up about it, and fans really came to her and shared their experience with her. And she says that this is a conversation that we need to have just because it is so important.
Of course.
People
and
think that it's
there are
easy
a lot
for
of
you to
genetic predispositions and different,
right, and so that you know that
different
you're
cultures.
not alone, and that this happens to everyone,
Right.
and you share your
Well,
experience.
it's amazing that A, she's being so open about it, and B,
Right.
like that everything on the tennis court she could do whatever. Like this was something out of her control.
Right, exactly. Like you always think that you're such a superhero, and then something happens that is out of your control, and you're just kind of like,
You realize you're a mere mortal.
Exactly.
You're a mere mortal like the rest of us.